It's a pleasant morning at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi, and we are all set for the toss. I got the two captains with me and also the match referee.
Heads.
Heads is the call. And heads it is. आयुष, टॉस जीत गए, क्या करने वाले हो और क्यों?
सर हम बॉलिंग करेंगे।
टॉस जीते हुए तो क्या करते थे?
हम भी बॉलिंग करते सर।
बॉलिंग करते थे। आपको भी लगता है थोड़ा मॉइस्चर है पिच पे?
थोड़ा हेल्प है।
That's the first delivery and we are off and away. Coming in, gets off the mark straight away with a couple of runs. Rajat Bhatia.
धन्यवाद फजल। जिस तरीके की आप उम्मीद कर रहे थे यहाँ पे, उसी तरीके से आज यहाँ, जी हाँ, यहाँ पे गैप मिला, बॉल को दिशा दिखाई और पहला चौका आता हुआ रेलवे के खाते में।
Well, yes, first glimpses of how good a pitch earlier in the morning, and I took a look at it. It's nicely rolled in. The grass is fresh, but there was not really too much moisture underneath that surface as well. So a little bit of grass there. That grass will really. Oh, but there goes the finger. Nanda Kishore points heavenwards. Breakthrough for Delhi, and Railways have been pushed back.
जी लाइन सही रखी और पढ़ने के बाद गेंद जितना अंदर आया उतना काफी था अंपायर को कन्विंस करने के लिए। यही तो खास बात है। और यही पहली विकेट रेलवे की गिरती हुई, अंचित यादव 7 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए और रेलवे 7 पे 1।
Well, pushed back straight away are the Railways. Delhi will feel vindicated, winning the toss, electing to field and getting a wicket nice, and he'll need to bring up his A game in this huge Group D game. We'll get 4 for that. Fortuitous, but runs are runs wherever they come.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल, और हताश भी नहीं होना चाहिए। ये गेंद अच्छी थी, बल्लेबाज कंफर्टेबल दिखा नहीं, जहां मारना दिखता हुआ। थोड़ा बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल जरूर फील होना चाहिए और यहाँ पे शायद यही कोशिश रहेगी दोनों गेंदबाज की, सैनी और सिद्धांत। एक बार फिर से गैप में बॉल को डाला है। बॉल जिस गति से बाउंड्री की तरफ जा रही है, जी लीजिए, बाउंड्री तक बॉल पहुंच नहीं रहा था पर आपकी गलती से पहुंच गया।
4 for sure. Waited for it to come on to the bat. The placement was good, the timing was good, and a little bit of help there from the fielder. There's a very festive look. Shot put away. He'll get 4 for that, and apart from the boundary, will also give him a huge amount of confidence as well.
जी हाँ, ये खराब गेंद का आया था, उसके आसपास ही आपको अपनी गेंद को रखना चाहिए क्योंकि आपके पास उतनी गति नहीं है कि आप बाउंसर।
In the air, there is a fielder straight down his throat. Wicket number 2 for the Railways goes down. Indicated with the decision to field first.
अंपायर देखना चाहेगा क्या आपने नो बॉल तो नहीं डाली है। शॉर्ट गेंदबाजी, इस बार जो लाइन थी वो आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप रखी और खेलने के चक्कर में अपनी क्या विकेट तो नहीं गवा दी, क्योंकि अंपायर ये चेक कर रहे हैं क्या ये नो बॉल तो नहीं है।
Well, the right decision made in the end. First landing, and that was behind the line. He's gone, Suraj Ahuja.
Vivek, the other opener, has not yet opened his account and he's faced 13 deliveries. And he cleans him up. Navdeep Saini coming from round the wicket gets rid of the opener. That's the third wicket. Delhi team is delighted. Why not? That's gone past the inside edge of the bat and in the gap between the pad and bat. Alongside me,
सैनी ने उम्दा गेंदबाजी का प्रदर्शन। विवेक सिंह बिना खाते खोले लौटेंगे 21 पे 3 रेलवेज।
it's not looking good.
बढ़िया गेंद। ओवर की समाप्ति, रेलवेज 21 पर 3।
shape in there and movement off the seam. This is the 8th over. Railways have picked up 3 wickets in.
ये कमाल का शॉट,
Stroked into the gap just for a single. Going out there in the first 1.5 hours rather than generate power. Just pushing it mildly, not looking to hit the ball hard. Fuller length, nicely stroked. Still not finding the gap. Despite the conditions being cut, it's important not to get overexcited when the conditions are favourable. And that's exactly what they're doing. Instead of using the term semi-defensive, I would rather say sensible fields at this.
बिल्कुल, और कसी हुई गेंदबाजी चल रही है यहाँ पर। अमूमन हम प्रथम श्रेणी क्रिकेट में ऐसे ह्यूज क्राउड्स देखते हैं, बट यहाँ पर ऊर्जा बाद दोबारा रणजी ट्रॉफी में।
He's looked very solid in defence, is Upendra Yadav. He's been here in ensuring that he doesn't reach out. He's got to continue doing that. End of the over, 22 for 3 Railways. Runs against his name. He played his last game in 2012 around his birthday. The stature, aura, everything is grown in leaps and bounds, but is a notch higher every season. First class record of off the edge, that'll run away to the boundary. A welcome boundary for Railways. They needed some release because the bowlers were right on top. Yes, it does not provides a bit of extra confidence.
और अच्छी बात यह है कि सैफ ने यहाँ पर ठोस हाथों से नहीं खेला, गेंद को आने दिया और बिल्कुल पहला चौका सैफ के लिए। विराट के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे, पिछला जो उनका प्रथम श्रेणी क्रिकेट में रणजी बीच।
Fuller length. The non-striker needs to get away. You can't be blocking the runs. He's still not left him. It's still there. It's second nature. And this is what youngsters need to try and glean from the great man.
तो एक मंच मिल जाता है ना आपको अच्छा प्रदर्शन करने के लिए। अमूमन हम खाली स्टेडियम।
Good leave that from Saif. Taking the line quickly enough and tucking his bat inside the line of the ball. This is something very leaving the deliveries.
और दोबारा वॉबल सीम का वहां पर मुजाहरा देते हुए नवदीप सैनी।
Reaching out and stroking it beautifully into the gap. Multiple runs of Villacru. In fact, the ball will be stopped. This from the skipper. Good commitment from the young captain.
आयुष बदोनी ने शायद ही आज कुछ गलत किया होगा। दोबारा यहां पर पूरी कमिटमेंट का उदाहरण देते हुए सैफ रेलवेज के लिए काफी एक अहम बल्लेबाज ठहरेंगे, क्योंकि काफी कम।
First bowling change coming up. And it's a nice time to come on to bowl here for the, of course, who doesn't? Virat Kohli turning up and creating a lot.
ये अच्छी गेंद, मनी ग्रेवाल को यहाँ पर सपोर्ट देना होगा। सिद्धांत और नवदीप सैनी ने में 1 या 2 विकेट चटकाया तो अच्छा प्रदर्शन माना जाता, पर यहाँ पर 3 विकेट चटकाने में कामयाब।
As well. And such huge numbers have not turned up for a Ranji Trophy game. The most winningest captain of India in recent times, Virat Kohli. When Paul Valtati, my co-commentator, saw that huge queues in the stadium, and that's the result of that cues there early morning.
ताकत यहाँ पर अच्छी गेंदबाजी करते हुए ग्रेवाल.
Change the angle for the left-hander. It's been a nice start for the third seamer. Sarandeep. Good delivery to end the over.